Welcome to Easy English channel. This is part 2 of the preposition. In the previous video, I explained about the preposition in, on, and at, if you remember. But if you have missed that video, you can get the link up again and you can watch it. Here, I'm going to explain about part 2 of the preposition. Across, along, around, among, and through. In this video, I will explain all these prepositions with examples in detail. The most important point that you have to know and you have to learn is how to use each of these prepositions in your daily life correctly. So let's go. The first preposition is across. We use across for on the other side of something. It could be building, it could be road, it could be a river. There are some examples. For example, Jenny was walking across the street. Jenny was walking across the street. Number 2. Sarah was driving across the bridge. Sarah was driving across the bridge. Number 3. John was swimming across the river. John was swimming across the river. In all the 3 examples, the main point is across. It might be a river, a road, or a bridge. The next preposition is along. We use the preposition along the movement in specific direction. Simple, right? For example, she was walking along the road. She was walking along the road. Ali was wandering along the beach. The ball goes along the ground to get a boundary. The ball goes along the ground to get a boundary. So in all the 3 examples, you can find that the ball or the 2 nouns or pronoun all go in a specific direction. The next one is around. We use the preposition around to show the movement of each side of something or somebody. For example, the child is running around his father. The child is running around his father. The sun goes around the earth. The sun goes around the earth. The clouds spread all around. The clouds spread all around. So the preposition around will show you around someone in a circle or in a moment in each direction, but particularly It will give you a direction. The next one is against. We use the preposition against for close to, near to, opposite to, or hitting something or somebody. For example, I am not against your profession. I am not against your profession. He hits the ball against the wall. He hits the ball against the wall. John is swimming against the waves in the river. John is swimming against the waves in the river. The next preposition, among. We use preposition among for division among people more than two. Not between two friends, more than two friends, students, people. We use among. We use among for the presence of somebody or something. For example, the disease has spread quickly among the students. The disease has spread quickly among the students. The principal is standing among the students. Please distribute my gifts among all my friends. Please distribute my gifts among all my friends. In this video, I have explained about the second group of prepositions with examples, with usage. I hope it's clear and comprehensive. In the next video, part 3 of preposition, you will watch soon. But before that, if you like the video and if you have any comments, please write comments. Any suggestion you have, you're welcome. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon and wait for the next video. Thank you.